Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family.
This video is in collaboration with Chic for Cheap, and this is hosted by Christi or Christi Creates. And I leave the links of our channel as well as the playlist of all the participants in my description box. So let's get started. this is the final reveal of my project, and like you saw the process, and this was inspired from the Bella Cottage, and that had a beautiful canvas painting from Christi Creates, and it was like $156. So I would not pay that much, so I thought I would recreate it using Dollar Tree items. And this is one of the biggest canvas from Dollar Tree, and I painted pink like you saw the process, and I drew the borders of inner canvas, and painted yellow inside, and I stuck the ball of jute twine around it, around the boundaries, and using one of the applesauce container, I just cut that into half using the hot heated knife, and as like a basket, pop-up basket, and I stuck a lot of jute rope as like a twined basket, and I just stuffed with some of the floral foam and stuffed with all these beautiful pink roses, and I got one of the beautiful blue rose and some of the pink florals and pink flowers around the bird with some greenery and blue flowers and some blue lace bow in the top. So I just try to recreate the same way that she had it in the painting, and I'm just loving it. So I hope you'll also enjoy it. So let me know your thoughts on this. And like I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.